Hey guys, Graham Stephan here. Today we're diving into the exciting world of PiNetwork. Get ready for some big news because PiNetwork is at a critical point in its journey. At the highly anticipated Consensus 2025 event, the Pi core team is set to make major announcements that could shape the future of this cryptocurrency. With a massive user base of over 60 million people, the excitement is palpable. Everyone's on the edge of their seats, eager to know what's next for Pi. The air is thick with anticipation as rumors swirl about potential game-changing developments. We're talking strategic partnerships, groundbreaking technological advancements, and maybe even a listing on Binance, one of the world's leading cryptocurrency exchanges. The buzz is deafening, and for a good reason. PiNetwork has been making waves in the crypto space, and this event could be the catalyst that propels it into the mainstream. Imagine a world where millions can easily access and use PiCoin for everyday transactions. That's the vision, and Consensus 2025 might just be the launch pad. So, buckle up as we explore the possibilities, analyze the rumors, and decipher what the future holds for PiNetwork. This is going to be huge! One of the hottest topics surrounding PiNetwork right now is the possibility of it getting listed on Binance. Imagine the floodgates opening, with millions of potential investors suddenly able to buy and trade PiCoin. It's a tantalizing prospect that has the entire community buzzing with excitement. The rumors gained momentum recently when a mysterious whale wallet, a digital wallet holding a massive amount of PiCoins, made a significant move. This whale acquired a whopping 70 million PiCoins from OKX, another cryptocurrency exchange, bringing its total holdings to an astounding 155 million Pi. This move has fueled speculation that something big is brewing, and a Binance listing might be the reason behind it. Now, let's be clear, these are still rumors at this point. However, the sheer scale of the whale's actions and the timing, just before Consensus 2025, have added fuel to the fire. A Binance listing would be a major validation for PiNetwork, instantly boosting its credibility and attracting a wave of new investors. Let's talk about these whale wallets for a second because they play a fascinating role in the cryptocurrency world. These whales, with their massive holdings, can have a significant impact on the market. When they make a move, people notice. In the case of PiNetwork, the recent whale activity suggests that some big players are betting on its future. Why else would someone amass such a staggering amount of PiCoins? This kind of accumulation indicates a strong belief in the project's potential. Now, it's important to remember that whale movements can be unpredictable. They might be driven by various factors, and it's not always easy to decipher their intentions. However, their actions provide valuable insights into market sentiment and can often signal upcoming trends. So, while we can't say for sure what this whale is planning, their recent acquisition of PiCoins is a positive sign. It suggests that there's a growing belief in PiNetwork's potential, even among those who hold significant amounts of cryptocurrency. One of the most anticipated milestones for any cryptocurrency is the launch of its open mainnet. This is the moment when the network becomes fully operational, allowing users to freely transact and utilize the cryptocurrency's full potential. For PiNetwork, the road to the open mainnet has been a long and winding one, marked by delays and growing frustration within the community. Many users have poured their time and effort into mining Pi, eagerly awaiting the day they can finally access and utilize their hard-earned coins. The delays have been attributed to various factors, including the need for rigorous security testing, ensuring a smooth and stable launch, and navigating the ever-evolving regulatory landscape surrounding cryptocurrencies. While these are valid reasons, the lack of a concrete timeline has led to some skepticism and impatience among users. However, the Pi core team has repeatedly assured the community that the open mainnet launch is still a top priority. They've emphasized their commitment to delivering a robust and secure platform that can handle the demands of millions of users. Section 5. Market Volatility, a roller coaster ride. The world of cryptocurrency is not for the faint of heart. It's a roller coaster ride of price swings, sudden surges, and unexpected dips. PiCoin, despite not yet being traded on major exchanges, has already experienced its fair share of volatility. At one point, the price of PiCoin surged to an impressive $1.66, sending waves of excitement through the community. However, this was followed by a 25% drop to $1.10 after an 8 million token unlock. a planned event where a certain amount of Pi coins are released into circulation. This volatility is a stark reminder that the cryptocurrency market is still in its early stages, driven by speculation, hype, and external factors. It's a high-risk, high-reward game, and those who dare to play must be prepared for a wild ride. Despite the recent dip, PiCoin has shown remarkable resilience, boasting a 92% weekly gain and a market cap exceeding $9 billion. This indicates a strong underlying demand for the cryptocurrency and suggests that the recent price drop might be a temporary blip in its upward trajectory. Section 6. Community Sentiment, a Mixed Bag of Emotions. The PiNetwork community is a vibrant and passionate one, with millions of users worldwide united by their belief in the project's potential. However, the recent delays coupled with the inherent volatility of the cryptocurrency market have led to a mixed bag of emotions within the community. On the one hand, there's a palpable sense of excitement and anticipation. The upcoming announcements at Consensus 2025, the rumors of a Binance listing, and the prospect of the open Mainnet launch have injected a renewed sense of optimism into the community. On the other hand, there's also an undercurrent of frustration and skepticism. The lack of a concrete timeline for the open Mainnet launch, the price volatility, and the uncertainty surrounding the project's future have left some users feeling disillusioned. Some community members remain steadfast in their belief that PiCoin will skyrocket in value, with some even predicting it will reach $3.14, a nod to the mathematical constant. However, analysts caution against such speculative predictions, emphasizing that the cryptocurrency market is notoriously difficult to predict. Section 7. Consensus 2025, a pivotal moment. Consensus 2025 is shaping up to be a pivotal moment for PiNetwork. This highly anticipated event, gathering some of the biggest names in the blockchain and cryptocurrency space, provides a global platform for PiNetwork to showcase its progress and vision for the future. The Pi core team is expected to make major announcements at the event, potentially addressing some of the community's burning questions. These announcements could include updates on the open Mainnet launch timeline, details about potential strategic partnerships, and insights into the project's technological roadmap. Consensus 2025 is an opportunity for PiNetwork to demonstrate its commitment to transparency, engage with the wider cryptocurrency community, and solidify its position as a serious contender in the race for mainstream adoption. The event is also a chance for PiNetwork to learn from industry leaders, forge new connections, and gain valuable insights that will shape its future development. The eyes of the cryptocurrency world will be on PiNetwork at Consensus 2025, eager to see what the future holds for this ambitious project. Section 8. PiNetwork's Future, a World of Possibilities. The future of PiNetwork is brimming with possibilities. If the project successfully navigates the challenges ahead, delivers on its promises, and continues to grow its user base, it has the potential to revolutionize the way we think about and use cryptocurrency. Imagine a world where millions of people use PiCoin for everyday transactions, seamlessly transferring value across borders, accessing financial services, and participating in a decentralized economy. That's the vision that PiNetwork is striving towards, and the next few months will be crucial in determining whether this vision becomes a reality. The potential is there, the community is engaged, and the technology is evolving. Now it's up to the Pi core team to execute their roadmap, build trust, and deliver on their promises. If they can achieve this, PiNetwork could very well become a household name, ushering in a new era of financial inclusion and innovation. Section 9. Conclusion. The time for Pi is now. The PiNetwork is at a crossroads. The decisions made and the actions taken in the coming months will determine its fate. The community is eagerly awaiting answers, the market is watching closely, and the potential is undeniable. Whether PiNetwork seizes this opportunity and rises to the challenge remains to be seen. One thing is for sure, the cryptocurrency world is holding its breath, and the time for Pi is now.